Question 1. Write the net ionic equation when silver nitrate reacts with magnesium iodide. First, we have to write our elements and their ions to predict our reactant and product. So we have silver with a +1 ion and nitrate with -1. So when we cross multiply this, we will get silver nitrate. We will do that for each one of them, and we'll get this right here. We'll get this chemical equation. Then we have to balance our equation. So when we balance our equation, we'll have to put 2 here. So we'll have two silver and 2 silver right here. We have 2 nitrogen, and we'll have 2 nitrogen right here, and we will have 6 oxygen right here, and we'll have 1 magnesium. We'll have 1 magnesium right here, and 2 iodine. We have 2 iodine right here. Now our equation is balanced. We have to identify the solubility of each compound. So we have to look our solubility table, and this equation is soluble. It's aqueous, and also magnesium iodide is also soluble, and this is solid. Silver iodide is solid, and magnesium nitrate is aqueous. Now we have to calculate the net ionic equation. So we have to write each elements and their ions, and our reactant and product, and we'll cancel out, and what's left would be our net ionic equation. So when we do that, we will get this equation, and we will cancel out what we have at our reactant and our product, and what's left would be our net ionic equation. So when we cancel out this nitrate by nitrate and magnesium by magnesium, we'll get silver that's soluble and aqueous, and we'll get 2 iodine with a negative charge ion, and silver iodide that's solid. Now we just have to divide by 2 because we have 2 everywhere, and we'll get this equation right here for our net ionic equation. Silver react with iodine, and we'll get silver iodide. Thank you.